Hey you guys, so we are back again with the November teas from sipsby.com if you're interested in signing up for a tea subscription. Um I'm several months into this and I'm enjoying it. A funny quirk I have, I don't open these until I share them with you guys. So I will make a video on it and then I'll start drinking that month's teas. Um and like I got behind for October, I haven't had any of the October teas yet, and now I can drink them since I just did that video. So here's November, and yeah, let's just dive right in. So yeah, I won't say fully disappointed, but October just didn't bring what I've become accustomed to, let's say. So let's see what they have for November, if it's any better, which it's looking like it will be. These look like different teas, not just your local Kroger stuff. Okay, so tea leaf premium specialty tea. We like premium and we like specialty. This is an pearl organic green loose leaf tea. I don't even know what all that means. Just a green tea, I guess. Okay, so Nepal, awesome. So this should be a high quality product, I'm presuming. Can't wait to try it and compare it to other green teas. Oh, Mustang Green is the name. But yeah, I guess it's just green tea that was grown in Nepal, which is kind of exciting. You know, I love my travel and you know I love Asia. And so this was grown 5,100 feet above sea level. Okay, yeah, and that's that. Okay, so they only sent me one of those, which is another indicator that tells me that this is probably some good tea. Okay, next we have Steep Echo from Santa Barbara, California, and this is the Hush caffeine free. Oh, olive leaf teas. This is interesting. The olive plant is so healthy for you. And with the COVID thing, let me tell you, in terms of fighting viruses, preventing viruses, olive leaf extract, I sound like that other YouTuber who's popular on here that people love, people hate. But seriously, olive leaf extract is good stuff. I'm in my closet because I wanted to cut down on echo, so I'm in the living room closet. So if you see like a moving box or something, it's because there's boxes in here. Yeah. So, and I'm tired of holding this way. I'm gonna have to edit this. Anyway, so Steep Echo is out of Santa Barbara. Sounds fancy. Hush, I'm guessing it's going to put you to sleep. But yeah, get you some olive leaf, like the capsules. They make tinctures. This cold and flu season, it'll help you stay healthy. And if you feel like you're coming down with something that's helpful, they used to use it to treat malaria, like all kinds of stuff. Now, if you get malaria, definitely go see the doctor while you're taking your olive leaf. I'm not saying medicine doesn't have, what do you call it? Doctory medicine doesn't have its place. It absolutely does, but you know, you can stay healthy in between doctor's visits and procedures and treatments. I digress. Let's look at what's in this tea. And it sounds good already. So olive leaf with ginger, peppermint, fresh lemon. Can you go wrong with that? And oh, a touch of maple. Okay, I'm not huge on maple, but okay. It's a digestive aid that rights the body and restores the spirit, and I am here for it. Okay, and they got papaya leaf, which also helps with digestion. Just FYI. So they sent me 3 of these. That's cool. I can't wait to try it. I'm so glad it doesn't have chamomile, because when I saw the name, I thought it was gonna have chamomile. And I don't do chamomile. But okay. Bare leaves. Look at this branding. It's just plain. Okay. This is a green tea. It's a gunpowder green. I knew it. Okay, I'm learning my teas. So it is from China. I think I'm going to like this. I like gunpowder green. I like really good Chinese teas. The leaves of this famous Chinese green tea are hand rolled into pellets that resemble gunpowder. produces a bolder flavor than most green teas. So about that, a lot of the Asian teas are strong. Like, I can't even express it enough. It's like really strong. When I went to my friend's wedding, we had to have tea at like, there's a lot of tea going on because it's a ceremonial thing and it's all unsweetened green tea and it's all like 10 billion times stronger than the tea over here, which I could drink it, but it's bitter. Like it took focus having all that tea. My friend's like, you don't have to always drink it, you can skip it. I'm like, no, I'm participating in this, whatever. Like I'm here for you guys. Like, yeah, I want to do all the traditional stuff because it's cool. So anyway, yeah, I wonder if it's gonna be like that, but I have a feeling I don't know. We'll see. All right, so here are my tea bags. Bag of disposables. Bag itself is reusable. You know the drill if you watch these videos. Chico chai. I love chai tea. And I need to go back and review some of my other teas because I had a chai. Actually, I'm mad because I spilled a lot of it. It was just a really different chai tea, and I don't know if I like it. It wasn't spicy enough for me. I like it, but it's not what I would grab if I'm like, oh, let me get just like a run-of-the-mill, straight up Indian chai tea. It was a little less spicy. And then I have another one from another box that is way too sweet, and it's like a sugary powdery. You just add water. Not too much feeling that, but I might do follow-up reviews on those. This is another chai. Masala chai blended by hand in Chico, California. So I see California is representing pretty strong in this box. We like to hear it. American small businesses doing well. So how to brew. Heat 1 cup of water in a small pot. Oh, traditional. Okay, I see. I'm probably still gonna heat it in my teapot though. So yeah. Wait. Oh, I see. So you brew it, then yeah, okay. Very old school. Okay. Um, yeah, maybe, you know what? I would probably make it once the traditional way just to see and then compare it. And that might be another video, actually. Methods of brewing tea. But this is cool. It's, typical chai spices, Assam tea, nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, pepper. Now this is going to be spicy like how I like it. Orange peel, star anise, and cloves. I'm here for that blend. I might actually grab for it. Oh, this is nice. Merry and bright. This is probably going to have my info on it. Actually, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, they just sent me... yeah, it's just like a discount for Christmas. That's very smart. Coupon codes for holiday shopping. They sell gift boxes and things like that. Subscriptions, I think, count. 3-month gift card. Oh yeah, okay, for the subscriptions. All right, well that's that. I think that's all I have, and I'm pleased with this box. Nothing was grocery store brand. It's a nice variety. It's interesting to see some West Coast teas. I've never had an olive leaf tea before. That's going to be exciting, and they sent me a good quantity of it. And it's very timely with it being holiday season and people being sick and blah 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 blah, and people trying not to get sick. So this is exciting. Yeah, the next box is going to be December. I anticipate a lot of mints probably, but we'll see. And that's about it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, be well, stay clean, stay safe, stay organized, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.